Ryan here, Silly Reviews. Today we have an exciting product. These are Power Sheets by Arm & Hammer. So these are laundry detergent sheets. They're not dryer sheets. You use them in the wash. Up to 100 loads, so it's 50 sheets. You can cut them in half. Now, pay attention because when it says 100 loads, you cut these in half. One half of a sheet is a small load. 2 sheets is a medium load. So if you're dumping big loads in your washing machine, you may need more than 1 sheet, but we'll find out. I do a test run on it. There's the examples of how much to use. There's the instructions on how to use it. You drop it in your washing machine. It's supposed to be safe for any type of washing machine, HE, regular, old school, front facing, top loading, all that good stuff. Compact box, which is really nice. I guess it's good for the earth. Those are things I usually don't care about. So if you're wondering if the Arm & Hammer Power Sheets get the job done, we'll find that out in just a minute. I will show you one design feature of this box that I really like, and it's how these engineers can create a lid that can close the way this does and close securely. It's so cool. But let's get a closer look at these sheets, these Power Sheets, okay? They feel like foam almost. They smell really good. The scent is really... Arm & Hammer has the best laundry scents out there, bar none. My favorite type of washing stuff for laundry is Arm & Hammer, their powder. But these are cool. They're perforated like a little bit. You have to give them a good tear if you want to go small, and that's what I would recommend you do, unless you're somebody who really stuffs the washing machine a crazy amount, and I know people who do that. Try 1 sheet and see what happens, unless you're a mechanic or you work out in landscaping or something. But here's that engineering feat of how they make this cardboard lock so well. One of the selling points of these is supposed to be for travel, so I guess that's where that could come in handy. But I've got a load we're going to dump in here. I would call it a medium-sized load. If you've asked any former companions, they'd probably say medium-sized load as well. Take one of these out. We're going to use the whole sheet in here, and I cannot express this enough. These things smell so freaking good. So we've got a little top-loading washing machine here. I always wash on tap cold. It's the most efficient, and I just feel like it's the safest because I don't use a lot of laundry during the week. So I just kind of throw everything in there all at once and then get the party started. I'm having some difficulties here. We've got a shirt on my laundry bag, dry string, but we got it free. Let's talk price while you're watching me in action here. $14.99. Let's imagine you can wash 30 loads, and I say that because maybe sometimes you have jumbo loads, super soiled loads. So let's say you can get 30 loads. $14.99. Even if you stretch this to the 50 loads, forget about the 100. I don't think that price is really doable unless you have that kind of disposable income. You'd be better off getting a liquid on sale, or like I recommend the powder. We washed it on a medium soil level. We're going to go ahead and check it, and then, I love to sniff it. I'm going to let you sniff it. The scent is bursting, people. Absolutely bursting.
Pretty good.
Super impressed. My clothes don't really get that soiled, so I just care that they've been through some water and they smell really good. And those 2 things really happened. 2 thumbs up, and I'll tell you this. Days after that load was dried, and I did use an Arm & Hammer dryer sheet with it, days after they were dried, still smelled freaking poppin' fresh. That's better than Tide Pods that I've recently used. That's better than, I think it was Surf Liquid. Incredible.